I've got a cheap and chic idea for you this week, and I'll show you 4 ways to use it. Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I wanted to show you a really simple way to create a stylish stepped effect on a brochure without adding any complexity to the job. Why do we care about complexity? Well, complexity adds cost, and some stepped formats can be more challenging to set up or fold by machine, but not this one. It's called a stepped double parallel, and I've got 4 real-world examples of it in use across 4 different marketing scenarios, so let's take a closer look. This first example is a membership brochure. You can see the short cover and the 2 steps on the right. They're being used as tabs to organize the content. Mission and overview on the first spread, membership information on the larger interior spread. So the way that works is simple. The first fold is short of in half, creating the first step, and the second fold is also shortened to reveal the second step. This fold is a variation of the classic double parallel, which would be in half and in half again. We're really just playing with fold placement. However, there is no rule regarding tab depth or direction, and here's a great example. This design featured a landscape orientation and wide steps with imagery on them. The steps are solely decorative. This was designed to promote a special fundraising event. I love the long horizontal spread that's created when it's open and the way the imagery is cropped to create interest. Changing gears completely, the step double parallel is a great low-budget format for menus. Here's a nice example from a pizza restaurant. The steps don't directly relate to the content on each spread, but they highlight a critical message, and the varied panel widths on the inside are perfect for featuring the different categories of food. This piece did self-mail, but it mailed as an EDDM campaign, so it didn't have to meet the strict requirements for letter-sized mail. Otherwise, it would need an envelope. Lastly, here's a variation on the format with 1 extra panel added at the end. This sales promotion for Clematis Vines features 3 different collections for sale. You'll recognize the step double parallel, but then at the end there's 1 extra panel that opens out to reveal 3 special offers. I really like how they did this simple modification. The step double parallel is a low-budget wonder that is easily folded by machine, and I hope you'll give it a try on an upcoming project. A very special thanks to the creators of each of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.